Before I got my Dyson, I was obsessed with watching people do their hair with it. So I'm gonna do my hair with it. I'm gonna go in with the Moroccan Oil Heat Protectant and then Olaplex number 6. Okay, now I'm gonna dry and I'm gonna flip my head down so I can really get in the roots and get lots of volume. Okay, now that it's mostly dry, I'm gonna go in with the smoothing brush. Okay, now for bangs, we're gonna go in with the round brush. Okay, I didn't time this well, but now I'm gonna curl. I mean, I haven't even put in the hair oil yet, but you need the Dyson